Thank you for purchasing the Nimbus cm2 web. I want to show you what's inside and how to use it. To open the carrying case, unclip the two latches and roll it out. In the case you'll find the web, you'll find the power cord, the quick start instruction guide, and this little gadget we call affectionately the dog bone. The purpose of this is when you put on the web when it's in use, you'll feel a small vibration. This does nothing other than just let you feel what you can't see. To start your web, connect the power cord to a wall outlet. Take the small end of the cord, plug it into the web. You'll see it's powering up, and just press on. As you'll see, there's a 30-minute timer that counts down, and it'll shut off exactly after 30 minutes. On the web, you'll find there are 4 different frequency settings: 7, 27, 50, and mixed. You can change between those just by pressing this blue button. We recommend starting on 27 unless instructed otherwise by your health professional. Once again, thanks for purchasing the Nimbus cm2 web. I can't wait to hear about your results and your journey to health, wellness, and performance.